The first car in this video spent nearly 30 years sitting inside a barn in Ohio. Under a thick layer of dust was a 1969 Porsche 912. At first glance it looked like a typical barn find, but one detail stood out immediately. The engine was completely missing. The Porsche 912 was originally introduced as a more affordable version of the 911. Instead of the 6-cylinder engine used in the 911, the 912 used a smaller 4-cylinder engine derived from the Porsche 356. That made the car lighter and surprisingly well-balanced, and many drivers still consider the 912 one of the best-handling classic Porsches. Despite decades in storage, the chassis was remarkably solid with very little rust. Getting the car out of the barn was tricky because it was sitting directly over a large hole in the floor. Once outside, the restoration began with the obvious problem: 30 years of dirt. The car was pressure washed, the fuel tank drained of thick rust-colored sludge, and the oxidized paint was carefully polished. Inside the cabin, the team discovered a mouse nest hidden in the headliner, which required deep cleaning and sanitation. By the end of the detailing process, the Porsche looked dramatically different. And with plans to install a replacement engine, the long-forgotten barn find had a real chance of returning to the road. But the next car had been sitting in even worse conditions. This 1969 Ford Mustang had been left in a barn for about 20 years. But the biggest problem wasn't the dust, it was the animals. When the car arrived at the detailing shop, the interior was filled with rodent nests, droppings, and even dead mice hidden inside the seats and carpets. The Mustang itself still had its 302 small block V8, one of Ford's most common and reliable engines of the era. But before any mechanical work could begin, the entire car had to be cleaned. The exterior was soaked with cleaner and pressure washed carefully to avoid damaging the fragile paint. Inside, the seats were removed and the carpets were scrubbed with drill brushes before being cleaned with hot water extraction. The engine bay was degreased and cleaned after more than 50 years of grime. After more than 13 hours of work, the car looked completely different. What once looked like a lost barn find now looked like the starting point for a proper restoration. But the next vehicle in this video wasn't a sports car at all. Inside an old warehouse in southern Ohio, a massive hidden vehicle collection was discovered. Cars, motorcycles, and even boats were packed tightly inside the building. One of them was a 1966 Ford F100 pickup truck. Ford's F-Series trucks have been among the best-selling vehicles in America for decades, and trucks from the 1960s are especially popular with collectors today. This particular truck had been sitting indoors for about 15 years. Before that, it spent years outside in Georgia, leaving it covered in dirt, mold, and debris. Getting it out required a winch system because the warehouse was so tightly packed with vehicles. Once outside, the truck was pressure washed to remove years of grime. The teal and white paint slowly began to come back to life. Inside, the rubber floors and dashboard were scrubbed clean. Under the hood sat a 352 cubic inch V8. After inspection and a few repairs, the engine eventually started. But the next car in this video came from a completely different category: luxury. This 1967 Cadillac DeVille had been sitting for about 15 years. Cadillac in the late 1960s represented the peak of American luxury. Cars like the DeVille were enormous and powered by massive V8 engines designed for smooth highway cruising. Under the hood was a 429 cubic inch V8, one of Cadillac's most powerful engines of the time. The car had major issues: flat tires, rust damage, and a heavily contaminated fuel system. But the engine still had potential. After removing a rodent nest from the air cleaner and connecting a temporary fuel supply directly to the carburetor, the team tried starting it. The carburetor linkage had seized after years of sitting. Once it was freed with penetrating oil, the big V8 finally started. The Cadillac even managed to move under its own power. However, the brakes were in terrible shape and the car still required major repairs before it could safely drive again. But the next Mustang in this video was in far worse condition. This 1971 Mustang Spring Special was purchased for only $600. The car had sunk into the ground and weeds had grown around it. When it was pulled out, the damage became obvious. The floorboards were completely rotted away. Under the hood sat a 351 Cleveland engine, one of Ford's most famous performance engines known for its large valves and high-flow cylinder heads. Unfortunately, this engine was badly damaged. A borescope inspection revealed corrosion inside the cylinders. Further disassembly showed broken exhaust valves and major internal failure. Instead of restoring the car, the focus shifted to saving valuable parts. A Hurst Competition Plus shifter, a top-loader 4-speed transmission, and a rare Lakewood steel bell housing were removed. Even the cylinder heads were valuable. The remaining shell was eventually sold for parts. But the next car in this video started as something far more exotic. This car began life as one of the most advanced sports cars ever built, a 1991 Acura NSX. When Honda introduced the NSX, it shocked the automotive world. It used an aluminum body, mid-engine layout, and handling that was partly developed with the help of Formula One driver Ayrton Senna. But this particular NSX had been abandoned in a junkyard and left to rot. The engine was covered in oil sludge, rats had chewed through sections of the wiring harness, and the front end had been poorly repaired in the past. Restoring the car took months. The engine was removed and serviced, suspension components were replaced, wiring repaired, and interior parts sourced from Japan. After 8 months of work, the once-neglected supercar was transformed into a show-quality build. But the final car in this video had been sitting untouched for nearly 30 years. Inside a dusty storage container sat a 1968 Dodge Charger. The car belonged to a 96-year-old enthusiast who hadn't seen it restored in decades. The 1968 Charger is one of the most recognizable muscle cars ever built. That model introduced the famous Coke bottle body shape, where the body curves inward before widening over the rear wheels. Under the hood sat a 440 cubic inch V8 with a rare Holley 6-pack carburetor setup. After 30 years in storage, the car was covered in mold, mouse nests, and heavy dust. The original red single-stage paint was badly oxidized, but responded extremely well to polishing. Once cleaned and corrected, the color returned with surprising depth. The interior was sanitized and the trunk cleaned to save the original trunk mat. Mechanically, the car required major work. The carburetors were rebuilt, the fuel system replaced, and the entire brake system overhauled. Once everything was finished, the big 440 engine finally ran again, and the once-forgotten Charger returned to the road.